Good morning or afternoon. I'm going over the homework again. I'm going to try and do this kind of stuff so you have some help at home or at school if you're doing it. So homework is page 123, lesson 20. Let's do the first problem and see what we can get. You are planning a fundraiser for your student council. The fundraiser is in a glow in the dark dance. Solve each entry below and complete the transaction log to determine the ending balance for the student account. So let's understand what's going on. We're doing a fundraiser. We're making money by having a dance, so we have to keep track of the money. So the cost of admission for the dance is $7, and all tickets were sold on November 1st. Write an expression to represent the total amount of money collected for the admission. Evaluate the expression if 250 people attended the dance. So we've got 250 people at $7 a person. That sounds pretty simple as 250 times 7, which is 1,750. If you didn't notice, it was written right there. It's a word problem, so we need a word answer. So we write if 250 people attended the dance, $1,750 would be collected. Okay. The next part, B. The following expenses were necessary for the dance, and checks were written to each company. DJ for the dance, Music Madness of DJ cost $200 and paid on November 1st. Glow sticks from Glow World and Company for the first 100 entrants. Cost of glow sticks were 75 cents each, plus 8% sales tax, and bought on November 4th. So when you're doing fundraiser, you have to buy materials. So we paid for a DJ $200, and then we bought 100 glow sticks, 75 cents each. So we're gonna have to want to know how much is the glow sticks. So that would be 0.75 times 100, which would be $75. And then there was 8% sales tax. So we're gonna multiply by 0.8, which is, I'm going to assume $6 because 75 plus 6 equals $81. And that's what they have here. So it was $200 for the DJ, $81 for sticks. We made $1,750. Complete the log below. So you can see they wrote November 1st, dance, $1,750. We started with $1,243.56. So we add $1,750 and we got $2,993.56. This is money we spent. So take $2,993.56 minus 200, $2,793.56. Remember to line up your decimal points when adding and subtracting. And then we bought glow sticks for $81. So we're going to again subtract $279.93, $2,793.56 minus $81 is $2,712.56. So pretty basic stuff so far. C, write a numerical expression to determine the cost of the glow sticks. And you saw me do that before where we had 100 glow sticks times 0.75 cents. And that we got an answer, and then we added that answer, which was 100 times 0.75 times 0.07 tax or 8 tax, whatever it was. So they did it a little bit different. It was 8 cents tax. They had this. This is the 8 cents tax. They had 100 glow sticks. So 8% tax times 75 cents plus 75 cents times 100. I don't like this one very much. This one I understand because I'm just doing things normal. I can factor out the 100 and the 75 because they're both in both things. So if I do 100 times 0.75, I've got 75 plus 75 times 0.08, and then I can factor that out. So 75, this 75 divided by 75 is 1. 75 divided by 75 is 1. That leaves me 1 times 0.08. And I can add those together. 1 plus 0.08 is 1.08. And I can multiply that times the $75. So there's a lot of different equations or expressions you can write. You can choose whichever one you understand. Analyze the results. Write an algebraic expression to represent the profit earned from the fundraiser. Profit is in the amount of money collected in admissions minus expenses. So $7 per ticket. So that's 7 times each person, minus the $200 we spent on the DJ, minus the $81 we spent on glow sticks. If I add these together, so if I make it plus a negative, I can add these together because they're numbers. So negative 200 plus negative 81 is negative 281. So $7 per person plus a negative $281, which you could write as 7p minus 281. Here we evaluate the expression to determine the profit if 250 people attended the dance. Use the variable P to represent the number of people attending the dance from part A. So we're taking one of these and we're substituting 250 for people. So that would be 7 times 250 minus 281. So multiplication comes first. So 7 times 250 is 1,750 minus 281 is $1,469. So that would be the profit. You see they wrote it as a sentence because word problems need word answers. I'm going to keep going till my 15 minutes runs out. So F, using the transaction log above, what was the amount of profit earned? So they started, they started up here with 1,243 and they ended up with 2,712. So I could subtract those, or I could say 1,750 minus 200 minus 81. And whatever that price is $1,469. Problem 2. The register below shows a series of transactions made to an investment account. Vinny and Anthony both completed the register in hopes of finding the beginning balance. My screen went blue. As you can see, they do not get the same answer. Who is correct? What mistakes did the other person make? What was the monthly gain or loss? So beginning balance of 0, it looks like. The broker's fee of $250, so that's subtracting. Loan withdrawal minus $895. Refund, so that's a deposit of $50. And investment results of positive $2,012.22 for a balance of $18,917. Sounds like a lot of money. And then Vinny says we have $18,000 minus 250 minus 895 plus 50 plus 2,012 and 22 cents for $18,917. While Anthony says we start with $19,834. We subtract $250, subtract $895, add $50, add $2,012. Who is correct? I would use my calculator to check them. and I see